Spring has sprung, my loves, and it's time to try out new skincare. I wanted to try out some new natural skincare products, things that are a little bit lighter, a little bit more fresher. I teamed up with my good friends over at iHerb to do this. iHerb is a global leader offering natural health and beauty products at affordable prices to consumers all over the world. The California-based superstore offers like a billion bajillion things, 30,000 brand names to be exact. I've gone on there to get vitamins, supplements, and also health and beauty products. They guarantee to have the best value of some of the top natural name brand products that are 100% authentic and shipped with free or discounted shipping to over 150 countries worldwide. So let us get started on the reverse beat. I don't know, the taking off of the makeup. I'm starting off with Alaffia face cleanser with papaya and neem. I have kind of said this before in recent videos, but I've just been really excited about using more skincare products that sound like a fruit salad. This one smells like coconut, and it has a really nice kind of this oil cream gel texture that works really, really well at getting rid of makeup. Just melt it through my mascara. Usually I can't use a gel cleanser to do that. This is definitely a cleanser I would consider more geared towards normal to dry skin. Gonna just spray my face to get the moisture going and get that massage in there. Really pamper yourself. Oh. Yes. All right. Wash your face, girl. Go wash your face. When I come back, I'm pretty soft. This definitely didn't strip me like some other like foam cleansers I've used in the past, so that's a thumbs up for me. Next up, time to exfoliate though. We're going in with the Pixi Glow Tonic. This is a 5% glycolic acid exfoliating toner. Over the years, I've found that I prefer chemical exfoliants to physical ones. Generally speaking, it's really hard to find one that isn't super stripping, but this one's pretty cool. It's not the best one I've ever used. I have others that I prefer, but this one was alright. This right here had me conflicted. This is from Andalou Brightening Pumpkin Mask. Again, as you noticed, I'm having a thing with skincare that sounds like it would be in a pie. Beautiful pumpkin-y color, and I was like, okay, I love a good brightening mask. Let's go for it. It's supposed to be rich in vitamin C to brighten the skin, and I just wanted to see if I like this as much of any other brightening skincare products, serums, or masks that I've used in the past. I applied it with a foundation brush because that was the least messy, and I couldn't find any of my mask brushes, and I was very annoyed by that. And I'm just applying a thin layer of it. Now, very soon you're gonna notice me look up in shock, just pure dismay. And that's because she starts stinging. She starts stinging. She starts stinging. And I was kind of confused by that. I've used masks that have been a little bit more tingly, but ooh, this one was peppery. I decided to continue, you know, no pain, no gain or whatever. If you have sensitive skin, would not recommend this one. I don't feel like this one's worth it. It was barely worth it for me because it felt like temperature hot on my face a little bit. And I was like, is this okay? Am I allergic? Like, I don't know. But the stinging did dissipate eventually, but man, it was kind of up there. Spring summer is all about the moist body. This is the Luxe Lotion by Luxe Beauty in vanilla. It's vegan, no glycerin, no alcohol, no parabens, no petroleum, nut. This is supposed to be for face, neck, and hands. Personally, I wouldn't use it on my face simply because it has a very strong vanilla cakey smell, and personally, I'm not a huge fan of highly scented products on my face. Not super moisturizing. One thing that I love in the spring and summer is body products that give me a shine, and that is what this did. This is Medicine Mama's Bee Magic. This is the all-in-one healing skin cream. This is not a cream though. This is more of like a salve, more so than like a cream. I love a good skincare product that's kind of like a Swiss Army knife of skincare. This is really good on everywhere that's super dry. It gets your skin like reflective. Do you see that? Yes. Can you imagine that on the legs? Yes, sexy elbows, sexier elbows. Yes. Put it on the décolletage, put it on the lips, put it on the cuticles, anywhere you dry and crusty. I'm a fan. And because it is spring and summer, you don't want to forget your SPF. This is the Aveeno Protect and Hydrate Lotion Sunscreen. This has an SPF 70. I've never used Aveeno sunscreen until this, so this was fun. I just used a little bit and put it on my body on top of the other lotions. I found that you could still see the shine of the other lotions under this sunscreen. The only problem is it did leave that kind of sunscreeny scent. So if that's something that bothers you, I would use the vanilla lotion after the sunscreen because the vanilla lotion kind of covers it up. Our face doesn't hurt anymore, so it's time to go wash it off. And I am feeling very supple, very glowy and whatnot. Do I think it's worth the pain? I'm going to go in to cool off my face a little bit with this moisturizing recovery mask from Leaders. This is just one of my favorite masks in general. Prior to this video, I've always loved a good Leaders mask. These are made from coconut gel that I always really liked because it helps me form the mask to my face as close as possible without it kind of falling off or getting kind of weird and clumpy. I can stay upright. I don't have to lay down for the mask to stay on, and the moisturization can really sop in. After about 10 minutes, pop that off and my face is cool and moisturized. It's also lighter than if I would have used a heavier cream, so it's really good for this time of year. Just finish up with a little spray. This is from Nature Republic. This is the 92% aloe vera soothing moisture spray. I use this in lieu of a cream because I figured on super hot days this would just be really refreshing to put over your face. Put it in the refrigerator. It would be really, really nice. And for a lot of skin types, this would be really effective because it's not super duper heavy. This is the BWC Beauty Without Cruelty Nourishing Eye Gel. I am getting paranoid and I'm like, oh my god, I'm getting old. I need an eye gel. I need to actually use eye cream. But what I found very interesting about this one is that it does not have it's not in a jar. It has a pump, which I found very fascinating. And because it's a gel, it's a little bit thinner, a little bit more breathable than kind of heavier creams that I've used. So I'm able to use it on my face and it not feel very suffocating during the day, especially during hot weather. Right now it feels good, but I'm curious, will it help with my non-existent wrinkles? I don't know. That's all for today, guys. If you want to check out any of the products, those will be down below. And yeah, oh my god, wait, I forgot sunscreen. Don't forget sunscreen on your face. I don't even know if this sunscreen is supposed to be for your face, but I'm gonna use it anyway. So it did give me a little bit of a white cast, but nothing crazy. It could be because I didn't use a whole lot of it, but yeah. Anyway, so if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like this video. Check out all the products over at iHerb. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!